Good day to all employers. My name is Mila Aliada Grabato. I am 31 years old, single, no kids, from the Philippines. I am a college graduate, Bachelor in Criminology. I have 3 years experience as house helper here in the Philippines, serving 4 members and the family, 2 adults and 2 children, ages 6 years old and 9 years old. My main duties and responsibilities there are taking care of the children, assist the children in changing their clothes, cooking their food, send and pick them up from school, doing laundry, cleaning the house, ironing, and washing the dishes. Sometimes I do marketing. My future employer hope you will hire me because I am a hardworking, passionate, trustworthy, and responsible person. I promise to love and respect your family as my own. Thank you so much, ma'am, and God bless.